Third conditional sentences. Third conditional, which is used to talk about unreal situations in the past, things that didn't happen, but we imagine what would have happened if they had. Use cases. Use the third conditional when regrets or missed opportunities, imaginary past events, reflecting on different outcomes. Structure. If past perfect, would have past participle. Example, if I had studied, I would have passed the exam, but I didn't study, and I failed. Practice sentences. If I had seen you at the mall, I dashed to say hi. Answer will be, if I had seen you at the mall, I would have stopped to say hi. They dash earlier if they had known about the traffic. Answer will be, they would have left earlier if they had known about the traffic. If she dash more polite, the manager wouldn't have asked her to leave. Answer will be, if she had been more polite, the manager wouldn't have asked her to leave. If they had practiced more, they dashed the match. Answer will be, if they had practiced more, they would have won the match. Like, share the video, and also, subscribe to the channel for more learning.